my dad, and the strangest thing happened. So
Go, play. Just play.
I want to see the picture, Dad. I need a monster fish shot.
No, I know, but just play. You probably would have gotten that ball if you weren't busy talking, because AutoCast would have saved you.
What? I backhanded it. There we go.
Water tears.
You got a super jackpot, Ash? Good thing, you got multi-ball. Dad, you got multi-ball. I believe. I believe. I believe I can fly. What means if you got multi-ball when you had multi-ball? That'd be pretty good.
Excuse me. Two more fish for monster fish. Okay, go ahead and take your time. Use the. Oh my gosh, you got to cast again? Yeah.
I can pull my money in there, then I can just get it out. So I automatically plays by itself. You don't need to press the button. I mean, Ashton, I think you didn't.
Good job, bud.
He still gets to shine in his shoes. So how do
right flipper, hit it once. Hit the start button once. Yep.
Wait, can I do this?
Ash? Yeah, you can do Ash.
No, like, if I do this, would it go back?
Yeah, but you're almost at S, so why not just go to S?
There we go.
Oh yeah.
Grand champion, let's see it.
Yeah.